Another unboxing video, this time with the 3-frame VEVOR Honey Extractor. I got this to use for my beehives and to extract honey. We have the electric version, the 4-frame electric version of this. However, I wanted a manual one for times that I may not have electricity or a backup to the electrical extractor. So let's unbox it and put it together. We'll put this foam down so we don't scratch it. Make it shorter. The reason why I'll try and make it shorter is hopefully it'll be a bit more stable when it spins. Worst case scenario, I can always adjust it later. Not too tight, but firm, just so it bites. That's done. Now to put the valve on, I will need to get my hand down there. So I'm gonna have to take this off. You may need really long arms for this one. I'll put it together, but I'll probably have to pull this apart to clean it. Basket goes in. Extractor goes in there. Pop it in its holes. Screw it all back together again. Tighten it up. Here's our handle. I'm going to tighten this up. Once it grips, get the second nut. Put that down, that'll stop it from coming off. Lastly, they've given us some lids. The lids are clear, but there's a plastic on here. Well, that's that. That wasn't too hard to put together. It was relatively cheap and looks like to be of good quality. So I'll be using that to extract my honey.